What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Raining Blood by Jeris and ZillaKami. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard drop D tuning, which means you need to drop your low E string down to a D note. It needs to match your D string just an octave lower. And it's just got one riff, well, it's got two riffs, a verse and a chorus that pretty much they just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, I have one written out. There's a link for it in the video description, as well as the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. If you need either of those, jump into the video description. Once you get done, they're there for you. So this song is sampling Slayer's Raining Blood. That's where the song gets the title. The riff is tuned a little bit differently, but it's pretty much the exact riff from the original Slayer song. I'm going to show you how to play the main riff, which is the chorus, and then I'll show you what they're playing in the verses. Main riff for the chorus looks like three palm muted downstrokes. And then you're going 5th fret A, 6, 7, 6 on D. 7 on A, 6, 5 on D, and then 6 on A, 5, 4 on D. Again, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7 on A, 6, 5 on D, 6 on A, 5, 4 on D. So that's the chorus and the main riff for the song. The rest of the song is pretty much just a verse, and all they're doing there is triplet palm mutes for 3 measures. So it looks like it's really quick. So this will help you with your palm muting for sure, like with your triplet palm muting. So there's 4 of those per measure and 3 measures. So you're going to do that 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. What I'm doing there is just down, up, down. Just really quick. Down, up, down. And there's 4 of those per measure, 3 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that little riff in between. So it's open D, 2, 4, 4 on A, 5, or 6, 5 on A, 8, 7 on low D. So triplets for 3 measures. 1, 2, 3, and then There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music on all social media platforms. Don't forget to check the video descriptions for the guitar tab or for the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.